I'm mixing up some aquamarine blue and some white for the sky and keeping it dark, and we'll paint this towards the top of the sky. I'm popping in a little bit of green tape to give us a nice straight line. I'm mixing in some more white now, so it's always a little bit lighter towards the horizon line. Just darkening that up now again. And adding a little bit more white towards the horizon line again. I'm using some phthalo blue next with a tiny bit of white in it, and that'll give us a nice dark sea colour towards the horizon line. I'm mixing some phthalo blue again with some white, adding more white in here, and a tint of phthalo green as well to give that a nice turquoisey colour to the sea. I'm working on the sand now, so I'm mixing up some white with a tint of burnt sienna and the tiniest little bit of yellow ochre, and it gives that nice sand colour. The sea colour is still a little wet from application, and I'm now blending the sea into the sandy colour so you get that little bit of an overlap there. I use a makeup brush just to apply the really soft clouds there in the sky. I go in with a little bit of white dipped in water just to give that really light transparent effect first. I can add in some more white then afterwards. I'm adding more white paint here, less water, just to kind of add the very tops to the clouds and to kind of give them a little bit of depth. I'm adding in more white here now just for the sea foam as the waves just kind of glide and hit the shoreline. I'm just building this up gently. I add more paint and kind of stipple the brush just to give that foamy effect on the sand. And there we have our nice, easy seascape painting with a very limited palette. Hope you enjoyed.